How to merge tickets on Freshdesk. In this video, I'll show you how to merge tickets on Freshdesk. So merging tickets on Freshdesk helps you consolidate duplicate requests from the same customer into a single thread, making it easy to manage and respond efficiently. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open your Freshdesk account, head over into the ticket tab, and then in here, go ahead and open the ticket that you want to keep. So for example, you want to keep this ticket, click on this. And then in here at the top of this, you'll find this merge button. So if you actually receive a duplicate ticket to this individual, you will be able to find the duplicate ticket into this section. So you need to basically click on that duplicate ticket and confirm merging the two tickets. Now, Freshdesk will combine the conversation and close the merged tickets automatically. So once you're actually done with responding to that main ticket, the second ticket, which is also a duplicate of the first ticket, would also be closed automatically, similar to the main ticket. And that is how you can basically merge tickets on Freshdesk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.